Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I've got a quick and easy Instagram tip for you. How to mute someone on Instagram. By doing this, you can take some break from the person. So let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can find the message icon. Now open it. Now search for the person that you want to mute. You can either scroll down or search it on the search bar. Once you locate the person, simply slide it to the left. Here you can find 3 dot lines. Now simply select it. Here is the mute option. Now tap on to mute. You can mute messages and mute calls. You can do whatever you want to mute. After choosing, here you can find the option. You can choose whatever you want. After choosing it, you can see you have muted the person now and you can't receive any messages from that person. And that's it. Now you know how to mute someone on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.